You see how moist they are inside? When you coat them in the ranch and in the blue cheese dressing, it just traps all the moisture in there. Oh, man. But we're going to get this bacon on first because we're going to smoke some bacon for these wings. You got to check it out, and you know all about that. So you just get some regular pound bacon, put it on your trusty grill, indirect, opposite the hot coals. You don't want to burn the bacon. You want to slowly smoke it for a while. Big shout to Westleth. Look at this leather apron here, man.
It's even got a beer holder. Well, a couple front pockets. You could put other stuff in there, but
you know. We got the towel holder, same. Very, very heavy quality leather here. It's going to last at least 10,000 years, no doubt about it. Yep, got the towel ring.
I'll use one of those things. It even has something for your phone.
Right.
So if you need to use your phone.
Yeah, if you got to stay connected, I guess you got your phone right here. This is it. Perfect around the grill. You got to check it out.
Oh, yeah. Yep. Look at that.
You got to go to westleth.com, and we appreciate you guys for sponsoring this video.
Hey,
fantastic.
Look at one thing too, like, you know, the tongs, we always don't know where to put our tongs, the little slots right there.
Oh yeah, there's enough loops and pockets to pretty much put a whole kitchen load of stuff in here, right? So all cool.
Yep, and then for our fans too, if they want to buy it, check them out on their website. You get a 15% discount for our Pit Boys,
15%?
our Pit Masters.
I'm gonna get some.
I'm gonna have to get some more.
All right, cool.
All right, cheers.
Very good, check them out, man. Yeah. Blue cheese or ranch, you decide. All you need is some chicken wings, obviously, and we got a bunch here. These are nice sized chicken wings, perfect for this recipe. Let's separate these. We'll just grab sort of an even number of wings. Here we go.
Is this because when you get wings, people are like, can't decide if they want blue cheese or ranch, right? It's like, all right, fine. We'll do a cook-off and say, we'll tell you which ones.
These are real easy to do. Very simple. You can be blind and do this. All right, so we're going to take some your favorite blue cheese, right? And all we do is pour it in like that. Real easy, right? I'm telling you, your chapter members will be all over this real quick. Give a little mix. We got this creamy dressing all over this. Now, here's another favorite. Your ranch, you can do this. So take your classic ranch. Everybody knows about that. We won't tell you who they are. You got it. Pour some over. Use your hands. Get it all over this. Now the effect that you're going to create here is a very, very super moist chicken wing. There we go. Because the moisture is literally trapped inside, especially with the coating, right, and the skin. So we're just going to put these on a grill indirect, cook them at about maybe 250, 275 degrees, even warmer. It doesn't make a diff, really. Let's check this grill. How's the bacon going? It's going. It's not quite ready. We'll let the bacon finish cooking, and then we're going to put our wings on our grills right here. All right. These wings are ready to go on
ranch
the grills.
Ranch or blue cheese?
Yeah, ranch or blue cheese. You choose, right? This is the ranch, and this is the blue cheese. It's hard to tell the difference, but
blue cheese.
So let's load them on the grills. I'll take the ranch.
I'll take blue cheese.
And we'll place them indirect, opposite the hot coals, so we don't burn these. We're gonna bake these wings. Oh man, are you kidding me? They look good enough to eat already, I'm telling you. Now you serve these either or to any pit party, there'll be an argument. Which is better, the ranch or the blue cheese?
I vote blue cheese.
I don't know, man.
Jitter, what about you? I know you like them both, but come on. For purposes of the competition.
Purpose of the competition, I'm going to have to decide with Bob on this one and say ranch.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Ranch is, I can drink that right out of the bottle.
Yep. So.
Are we going to pour extra sauce over them?
Yeah, we can, or well, that'll be the next step anyway. So, indirect, opposite hot coal. The grills are about 400 degrees Fahrenheit, more or less, somewhere around there, and we want to cook these close to 200 degree Fahrenheit internal. Yes, you want to get there. We're going to get a real moist and tender chicken wing out of this. So, probably, 45 minutes or so, right? Perfect.
All right.
Now, this is the part where we lick our fingers.
Oh.
No, we can't. Man.
Food police
The
will come
food
after
cops
you.
will be on our ass, man. Let's see if you need to do. Oh yeah, we got to do some flipping here. We're about halfway through. Oh man, look at those. Ho, 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 ho.
Oh yeah.
We got blue cheese here.
Blue cheese.
This is the blue cheese, man. You can see sticking to the grill with that goes with it. Oh man.
Oh, and the slasher.
And look at the ranch.
It's a showdown.
Got a little lower temperature on this grill, we can see. Oh man. This is gonna be good, Martha. Now we want to cook these to about 190, 195, 200 degrees Fahrenheit internal. Makes them come together good. All right.
All right.
Bacon's done. You put regular pound bacon right out of the store on your grill. Smoke it up a little bit, man. I'll tell you what, it's a gift from heaven. I think these wings are done. The verdict, the ranch, the blue cheese. Your choice. Oh man.
Showdown.
The dogs are barking in the neighborhood now. They can smell it. Look at that. There's really nothing to say, man. Just take a look. Are you getting hungry or what, right?
We got ranch in the foreground.
Oh, man.
Blue cheese in the back.
Cheese, oh, man. All right. So,
Time to serve these
you
up.
can set these up any way you want, but we've got our way of setting them up. So we got all our little sides and our dipping going on here. All right, we got the
bacon.
blue cheese crumbles here.
Oh man.
Make it look real pretty, right? For Betty Crocker. Then we've got a nice assortment of other dips and sides and sauces. Back here, we got some more ranch seasoning here you can sprinkle on. Come on in. Grab yourself a wing. You can set these up.
Barbecue sauce, some ranch stuff. We got some other dressing.
Don't stand in line. This is not church. Lord have mercy.
All right, Warden. We're gonna have a little vote at the end.
You see how moist they are inside? When you coat them in the ranch and in the blue cheese dressing, it just traps all the moisture in there. You get them up close to 200 degrees. It seems like a real hot temperature, but it seems in there it really becomes tenderized. Maybe it's that chicken connective tissue. Who knows? And I like that smoky flavor too, you know? Is there a verdict? Is it the ranch or the blue cheese? I don't know. It's all about the mood you're in that particular day, right?
Yep. Oh yeah.
Blue cheese.
Yeah. What's the vote here?
I'm thinking blue cheese.
One vote for blue cheese.
I mean, I'm a ranch guy, but that blue cheese had me.
All right. Sounds like we have a winner. Slasher, what are you thinking? I know you're a blue cheese guy anyway.
Cheese.
Yeah.
I like
Fame.
the ranch too.
I can't
You get 3 votes.
I can't commit to either side. It's like choosing a woman, right? Sometimes you want the ranch, sometimes you want the blue cheese.
So the next time you're looking for a recipe at your pit, check out the BBQ Pit Boys Baby.com. Let's go.